Hi everyone. In today's video, I will teach you how to make this type of realistic mockup in Photoshop in quick time. First, go to the File menu. Choose the place embedded, select your image, and click on Place. I have this mockup image as a background. Right-click on it and rasterize layer. Then go to Select menu and choose Subject. It will make a selection of the main subject. And create a layer via copy of this selection. Then press Ctrl+J 3 times. And it will make 3 more copies of the selected object. Go to the File menu again, choose the place embedded, select your image, and click on Place. Hide the top 3 layers. Adjust the design. And change the blending mode to Multiply. Then right-click on the layer and click on Create Clipping Mask. Show one top layer. And change its blending mode to Linear Burn. And apply levels to it. Use these settings. Now show the top layer. And change its blending mode to Linear Dodge Add. Apply levels on it with these settings. Show top layer. And change its blending mode to Screen. Apply levels on it with these settings. Press Ctrl+J and create a copy of the top layer. And change its color to white by pressing Ctrl+Backspace. And change its blending mode to Overlay. And decrease opacity. You can change the background color on it as well. Go to the bottom of the layer panel and choose Solid Color. And change its blending mode to Multiply. Then right-click on Design Layer and click on Convert it into a Smart Object. Double-click on it and place your other designs. And that's it. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.